Well, I'm very happy, and of course, getting a medal for the country is definitely a proud moment, and that too, back to back, 2016 and now in Tokyo. So definitely, I'm very very happy for the medal.
Actually, I first teach Sindhu, then Sindhu already is India big star, yeah, and big Olympic stars. So actually, I got a little precious, but I try. It's my career also never get the Olympic medal. My players, and so I said myself, okay, I also try. I can make Sindhu next time Olympic gold medal, but we failed. But I think bronze medal also very very big,
Big medal.
big medals. Yes, so I'm really happy. I thank you for Sindhu. Good. After semifinal, Sindhu also little bit disappoint me also. But I tell Sindhu, we have to play one more match. So we have to next one more match, and we try the good result. So I believe her. Yeah, but Sindhu did it. So I thank you for Sindhu
Ah.
very, very much. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
Well, I haven't decided, but I'm sure I will. But yeah, I think apart from that, Mr. Park, I know him since a very long time when he was training in the Korean with the Korean team. But yeah, when he came to India after a year or so, I started training with him. And yeah, initially we were just like it took us some time to actually know about each other, about the game, about the conditions and stuff. But I think we always had a dream, to get that Olympic medal. So yeah, I think that dream has come true, and I think yeah, we worked really hard, and he especially has worked really hard. I think because I mean I'm sure like in this pandemic, a lot of people have suffered, and especially he couldn't go home. He just met his family only for 13 days. So I think the efforts that he put in, the hard work that he put in towards me, I think that's really great. And I think it's all his effort and his hard work. And we finally got that medal back to the country, and I'm really, really very happy about that. Well, during the match, I mean, initially after the semis was over, I was really sad. I mean, I was actually in tears. I mean, everybody was in tears. But I think, my coach and my physio, I mean, they said, it's not over yet. You have another chance. You've got another chance. Well, there were a lot of mixed emotions, whether I need to be happy that I got another chance or I had to be sad because I lost in the semifinals. But I think, my, of course, Park just told me one thing I still remember where he said, there is a lot of difference between a
Yes.
bronze and the fourth position. I think that really hit me. And I just thought that, yes, I need to get that medal because getting a medal, for the country at the Olympics is definitely a big thing. And yeah, I just went with the mindset that I need to give my best and play my 100%. So yeah, it was all in that
Mhm.
state of mind. Yeah, well, this whole journey of 5 years was a lot of ups and downs where, after Rio, I mean, a lot has changed in my game, experience wise. And yeah, I think, I've lost few matches, I won few matches, I won the world championships. Yeah, a lot of things happened. So I think altogether, I've learned a lot more. And I think it all comes with the experience where, in my game wise, I've improved. And also, due to this pandemic, I mean, a lot of lives, uh, where a lot of people have been affected with COVID, and a lot of things have been happening. But I think in this pandemic, a lot of tournaments also have been getting cancelled. But I think for me, I've utilized it in a very good way where we actually got to learn new skill and new technique.
Mhm.
And yeah, Mr. Park was always with me, training me every single day, and we've been learning new stroke and technique. So I think it has really helped me altogether. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, playing in Gachibowli Stadium is always an advantage, because when we play an international tournament, it is almost like an international standard courts, and there is air conditioning which is needed. So yeah, I think I feel that is the best decision that we have taken, and we've also been getting players from Suchitra Academy, and so that we get used to different players every single
Yes.
day. And yeah, I mean, I think, and also the support that BAI has been giving, sports authorities has been giving, has been really good. Because yeah, I think whenever needed, whatever needed, they have always been there. And of course, Ajay sir, always keeps asking me, "Kuch bhi chahiye to humko bol do" karke. So I mean, every single thing has been perfectly fine. So we didn't have, or we didn't wanted anything separately. So सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था, और finally we got that medal back. So the journey was good. I mean, we learn a lot more, we do mistakes, and we come back much more stronger. So that's how life is.